All right, good morning, guys. I'm back at this old church. I found those wheat pennies and stuff out there back a month or so ago. And man, as soon as I get out of the car, I hit a fairly deep 12, 15. And let's see. Oh man. There it is. All right, it's pretty deep. Let me get it dug out and we'll see what it is. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Look what I just found. No freaking way. No freaking way. Oh, it's stainless steel. Dude. How cool is that? Ha! That's pretty freaking sweet. Man, I wish I'd have live dug that. That is awesome. That is awesome. Dang it, man, that's cool. All right, let me get my hole covered up here and see if we can find something else good. Got a 9, 10, 11, 12. It don't seem very deep. What do we got? Hey, it's in the plug. Where are you at? What we got? I bet it's a pull tab. Oh, pull tab. Mangled up pull tab. Okay, got us a good solid 16, 14, 15, 16. Pretty deep. Let's see here. Oh. Man, it's so nice we got all this rain. Now you can actually dig something. All right, let's see what it is. That's pull tab. It's tiny, whatever it is. Oh no, it's a coin. Oh, it's a zinc coin, I'm guessing. Yeah. I don't know if that's, I wonder if that's an old steel penny. No, I don't think so. It's just corroded up really bad. I don't know. We'll see if we can get something off of it. All right, we got us a 20. I don't know. It ain't showing no iron in it. See if we can see what we can get here. Might be something good. All right, in the plug. Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, there we go. I think it's just a, let's see if I got some water here. I think it's just a regular old Lincoln copper penny here. Oh yeah, there it is. That's all it is. It's zinc too. I can feel it, it's all corroded up. nastiness. Man, put that in my trash pouch. Make sure I don't throw it in the way. I just covered that up and swinging back. Nailed another high 20s, well, mid 20s, low 20s. Sounds good though. See if I can just get it with the pinpointer. It's only showing 2 down. Nope. All right, let's see where's. Okay, right there. Somewhere roundabout. Man, I'd like to find some more wheat pennies or some silver here. That'd be cool. But it might all be gone. Oh no, it's here somewhere. Oh, Pepsi cap. Dang it, man. Oh well, it was worth digging. Man, there's still a 13, 14 right here. Oh, where you at here? All right, it's right in the plug. It's a pull tab. Yep, there it is. Pull tab. All right, guys, here's my last target. It's a 12, 11. Okay, right there. Probably another pull tab, but it'll be okay. Yeah, probably most definitely is, since it's in the freaking plug. Oh, is that it? That is it. Sure God, that can't be it. It's not even a hole pull ring, pull tab, whatever. All right, guys, that was a pretty successful little hunt, I think. Found a couple pennies and going to be able to return some lady's watch, hopefully. I mean, there's nothing fancy about it, and the pastor of the church might not even know whose it is, but I'd like to return it if I can. If not, I'll just add it to my pile of junk that I found. But anyways, thank all y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff, and catch y'all next week, okay?